Greetings, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today we made a discovery that made us do another one of these videos here about the qualitative differences between these carburetor parts, and they are massive. Take a closer look right here. This is the company brand for the Keihin company with the star right here. And now we're going to take a look at these two jets. I've placed a piece of paper underneath so you can see through them right here, and here you can see the opening very clearly. So the nozzle on the right-hand side has the star on it, and it says 35. The one on the left-hand side is the keister nozzle, and in other words, it's a OEM high-quality part, and it also has a number 35 stamped on it. Take a look at how wide they've bored out this opening right here, and this nozzle on the right-hand side. I mean, that jet is not going to work properly in a carb. It's pretty amazing. Look at this. They've even faked the company logo. And that's something I've never seen before, and that's what I wanted to show you here today. Now I've seen some nozzles with a fake print on there, or some even without a print, but this is the first time I've actually seen them like actually etch a fake logo on there. And of course, it's totally the wrong size. And so that's not right. You know the size is wrong. And here you can see it in the board compared to the keister nozzle. I mean, it's a total disaster. Now, this fake jet was actually put into a Kawasaki EL250, and I mean, it destroyed one spark plug after another, and of course, the thing never ran right. And anyways, guys, I just want to show you this, and keep in mind that, don't go buying parts from just like anywhere. Find a dealer who's reliable, who's going to sell you quality parts, top of the shelf stuff. Makes a difference. Now, I've been installing keister rebuild kits all my life, and I've installed thousands of them. And I've always been satisfied, and I've never had a problem with them because all the parts are made to spec, and that's as it should be. And of course, I've linked these all up for you guys in the video descriptions of the videos that we make anyway. These links are going to take you right to our trusted dealer. And we work with a guy named Wumby, and we've been working with Wumby for a really long time. And he ships all over Europe. You just have to check if he ships to your country. I'm sure he does. He ships very quickly, super friendly. He's a reliable guy, knows what he's doing. All the people who watch the German videos, they already know them, of course. So if you need a rebuild kit for your carb or any other parts for your motorcycle, then take a look at his store. So if you see like large kits for really good price, don't be tempted. Don't be tempted by cheap. I'm going to just be blunt about it. Don't be tempted by cheap shit. Yeah. Because you want to get quality parts for your bike. Otherwise, you're just going to have a spluttering bike, and that's not what you want. Yes, friends, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. We appreciate your support through subscriptions and wish you lots of fun while working on your projects. Until the next video, ciao.